Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. Today I have another item from my friends over at Alloyman. We're getting a lot of things from Alloyman. Good tools. This is a 20 volt electric ratchet wrench. Looks just like a ratchet with the sockets and stuff, except it's powered cordlessly with a lithium ion battery. Let's open it up and check it out. Got a nice case here. Instructions. You got your AC 110 power outlet charger. Some sockets, probably the most useful. 12 millimeter, 13 millimeter. You gotta have a 10 millimeter socket. They're the most popular right there. And also a large 16 millimeter and a extension to a 1/4 inch chuck. You got your battery here, 20 volt max with a gauge. It tells you the strength of the battery, and this one has full charge of 4 bars. The battery has a little input there for your AC 110. You just plug that in the wall, charges up your battery in no time. Doesn't come with one battery, comes with 2 batteries. That's awesome. And this should be 4 amps per hour. Doesn't tell you anywhere. Doesn't tell you anywhere how many amps per hour it is. So it doesn't tell you anywhere about how many amps per hour this battery is. Not even on the very bottom. But the good thing about these Alloyman batteries is that I have the 1/2 inch impact and all the batteries fit. They're all interchangeable, so you can use them on all Alloyman 20 volt max. Here's the ratchet wrench itself. It's got like a lever over here that looks just like one of those air tools for your air compressor. You just slip the battery in just like that. That's to take it off, and then you turn this knob over here and it tightens. There's a lock button here, so you can't, a lock lever, so you don't inadvertently go on by just touching it. Very nice. The black parts here are rubber coated for good grip. And there's an LED light so that it illuminates the area that you're working on. So here we have a 10 millimeter socket on the ratchet. Now that's tightening it. Do that to untighten it. Now this is variable speed, so you touch it a little, it'll go slow. Super slow click, like that. So more pressure. Very cool. There you go, gearbox. I might have to turn that. I might have to take the gearbox cover off and check it out. Plate here and see what happens. Hi. my, there goes all the Earl. Pretty cool, huh? Every wrencher or backyard wrencher should own one of these to make your life a lot easier, do the jobs quicker, and convenient cordless tool saves your wrists. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want one. Go check it out. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
The UPS guy screwed this up. I'm gonna
See you guys next time